How to tile a wall using large format tiles. Before you start tiling, ensure that the background is flat, deflection-free and suitably strong enough for the installation. Suitable backgrounds include plaster, plasterboard, cement and sand render, cement board. Thoroughly clean the surface to be tiled and ensure it's dust-free. To set out your tiles, find the center of the wall by measuring both horizontally and vertically with a tape measure. This will provide you a center point to tile from and ensure balance and symmetry to the installation. You may need to fix a batten to ensure the tiles stay level during installation. Prime the walls using a suitable primer such as Dunlop Multi-Purpose Primer. This will ensure maximum adjustment time of the adhesive and increase the performance. Mix the primer at a dilution suitable for the background you're tiling. Apply the primer to the wall using a roller or brush and allow to dry. After setting out your tiles, mix a flexible tile adhesive such as Dunlop CF24 Flexible Tile Adhesive, as per the pack instructions. A 20 kg bag of Dunlop CF24 Flexible Tile Adhesive requires approximately 5.6 litres of cold, clean water. Add the powder to the water and use a drill mixture at slow speed to blend the adhesive thoroughly to a smooth, uniform consistency. Once mixed, allow to stand for a moment and then slowly remix before use. Apply a coat of adhesive to the rear of the tile, known as back buttering. This will ensure full adhesive contact. Using a trowel suitable for large format tiles, spread the adhesive onto the wall working from the set out marks, making sure the ribs of adhesive run in one direction. Apply the tiles into the ribs of adhesive. Press and twist to remove any air pockets and to ensure the tile is securely in place. When bedding a tile, always place it directly next to the previous tile installed and then slide away into its final position. This will ensure clean joints. Then use spacers to form the joints required. Before you start grouting, ensure that the tile adhesive is fully set. Remove all tile spacers and thoroughly clean out all loose debris from the joints. Mix up a grout such as Dunlop GX-500 Flexible Grout by adding powder to water as per the pack instructions. Dunlop GX-500 Flexible Grout requires a mix ratio of approximately 3.5 parts powder to 1 part water by volume. Mix thoroughly to a smooth consistency using a drill mixer or bucket trowel. Each mix of Dunlop GX500 gives you a 45-minute pot life, so there's no need to rush. Using a grout float, compact the joints fully and then remove the excess grout at a 45-degree angle to the joints. After 15 minutes, check that the grout has firmed up in the joints. Once sufficiently dry, use a damp sponge, rinsing out frequently with clean, cold water. Wash off the excess grout working in a diagonal motion at a 45-degree angle to the joints. Use a fresh bucket of cold water and lightly clean over the joints again using a damp sponge and allow the grout to fully set. Once the grout is sufficiently set, polish the tiles with a clean, dry, lint-free or microfiber cloth. After a minimum of 24 hours, the grout will be fully cured. To finish the tiling, apply a suitable silicone sealant such as Dunlop FX-90. Thoroughly clean both the joints and surfaces you intend to seal. Load the silicone into the caulking gun and cut the tip of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle to give the width of the seal required. Apply the silicone with even pressure and fill the joint in a smooth, single movement to achieve an even bead. Mix a solution of detergent and water, or if available, use a suitable releasing agent. Then, with a profiling tool, smooth the joint and allow to cure. Find your local Dunlop stockist online at www.dunloptrade.com/stockists.